Looking at various charts from several analysts, all I can say for certain is that the XRP token price still has a long way to go. Despite the bearish trend that's been ongoing for quite some time now, despite XRP's price reaching its lowest low where it had maintained support at 50 cents, some analysts still predict that XRP will break through $20 this year. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget, you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make if you sign up with our promo link in the description. We're going to be looking at some insights on XRP, and we're going to be talking a bit about Bitcoin because, of course, it pioneers the entire cryptocurrency asset class. Believe it or not, the direction this market is headed for is contrary to what we see right now. Although not fully discerned on the 4-hour chart, the actual price discovery process is best determined by looking at the charts from a broader spectrum by applying historical data. Now allow me to run you guys through some posts online, on Twitter, and the likes from various crypto analysts and enthusiasts alike. First, I'd like to start by running you guys through this article from the Daily Hodl, titled Top Crypto Analyst Says One Altcoin Set to Erupt 1,000%, Updates Forecast for Bitcoin and XRP. Here he talks about another crypto based on distributed ledger technology, the Hedera Graph project, pioneered by a conglomerate of Fortune 500 companies like Google, IBM, and LG Electronics. For this reason, it's considered a much safer bet than other projects out on the market. And this analyst is none other than the Credible Crypto, who just recently tweeted this, some calling for new lows on XRP Bitcoin. While it's technically possible, I think a reversal of this region makes more sense, considering XRP USD is on major historical support. So continuing on in this article, as this analyst hinted that the alt season is not over, given Bitcoin is yet to complete its final impulse wave, as is expected of a bull market. In other words, this expert trader, as noted by the writer of this piece, asserted that one particular cryptocurrency is just about gearing up for an explosive upsurge. According to the analyst, who relied on the Elliott wave technique to predict price actions by simply keeping tabs on the crowd's psychology manifesting in waves, a bull or bear market is always accompanied by 5 fundamental alternating impulse waves, where waves 2 and 4 are often excessively long periods of bearish trends, and based on this theory, Credible Crypto asserts that the market is in its 4th wave, with indications that the greatest crypto asset, Bitcoin, still has one more final leg up to go before it wraps up for the season. That target, the trader has claimed, would exceed $100,000, but it wouldn't surpass $300,000. To bolster these assumptions, the expert investor asserts that, should the price of Bitcoin hit below $10,000, then his predictions based on this theory would be nullified. Now that sounds like some significant increase for the entire crypto asset class. Good thing we know what price ranges to look out for in terms of Bitcoin, and I think these prices are important metrics that could help you guys make the best investment choices. Because just as Credible Crypto had stated, he thinks our drop from $14,000 to $3,800 was a major wave 2, and the drop from $64,000 to $28,000 is our major wave 4. But the idea is right, this is a major correction, but expecting another major wave to the upside, wave 5, once it's complete. We're looking at Bitcoin reaching over $100,000 before the end of this bull cycle, but if it doesn't happen, we could also see the price of this asset hitting rock bottom, maybe to $10,000. At which point we should cease from that school of thought. Which brings us to the question, what price range do you imagine XRP to be in if Bitcoin were to hit $100,000, $200,000, and above? Where do you expect to see the price of XRP given such a move by Bitcoin? Is it going to be within the $5 to $10 range, $10 to $15, the $20 price margin, or maybe a lot more? Let us know in the comments below what you think. Because the Credible Crypto had hinted that the current market correction serves as another significant shakeout event, thus a good time for thoughtful investors to scale into XRP, considering XRP is currently trading at a strong support zone. He added that yes, alts are bleeding, but I'm more focused on Bitcoin at the moment since it will decide the direction we're headed. Also, XRP is still on major high time frame support, so I'm not getting distracted by the slower time frame price action. Ripple is making plans for the future to unlock some features that would make XRP great again. The introduction of the federated sidechains and the smart contract functionality of the XRP ledger will undoubtedly see an increased invasion of retail investors and institutional money. While the federated sidechains are slated for the world's reserve banks, bolstering the creation of the central bank digital currencies, the smart contract functionality is Ripple's way of attracting more investors within the DeFi sphere. XRP's relationship with Bitcoin is because these two digital assets are both intended as a means of payment. Even though XRP's use case extends further to remittance system, payment settling, currency exchange intended for payment networks, and banks. However, Ripple has been favored by retail speculators and corporations, as is seen to be of more good conduct. And now more than ever, when the need for a scalable, innovative contract platform is in demand, at a time when proponents of the innovative contract feature are getting impatient on the release date of Ethereum 2.0, Ripple is looking to add some smart contract functionality to its XRP ledger through a partnership with the Flare network. As we can see in this post by the Flare network on Twitter, where it says we're delighted to announce Xspring's strategic investment to help Flare enable smart contract capability for the XRP ledger. More so, like other blockchain heads and the likes of Ripple CTO, expert cryptographer, and wizard of Silicon Valley David Schwartz, questions the eligibility of leading DeFi exchange Uniswap on the grounds that it's not decentralized in any way, hence it shouldn't be regarded as DeFi. So now you know this. Considering all this and judging from the words of renowned cryptocurrency hedge fund managers who have been seen to be making quite some derogatory statements about XRP, but then had made these declarations from a year ago about his company, the Galaxy Fund Management, and its relationship to the XRP coin. In his words, the billionaire investor indicated that 1. Galaxy is a big investor in Ripple Labs. I'd like to see them do well. Brett Garlinghouse has done a great job as CEO. I commented the XRP tokens underperformed Bitcoin last year because Ripple owns a lot of them. I've been almost solely long Bitcoin for the past 15 months. 2. This year, the broader alt market, including XRP, has outperformed Bitcoin. This has surprised me. That said, I see more and more large accounts getting educated and set up to be accumulators of Bitcoin and believe on a risk-adjusted basis it's the best place to bet on crypto. 3. Bitcoin has found a place as a weapon in macro portfolios as digital gold, a hard asset. All other cryptos are venture bets and will only have lasting value if they become a product that's useful. Ethereum might be the trust level people build on. If it does, it's a great bet. 4. XRP and many other cryptos like Ethereum are still in the proving phase. They aren't going to succeed as solely a store of value as Bitcoin has taken that lane. XRP does have its own fervent community, largely in Asia, but has a large supply to absorb, some 57% or so. And 5. The price of XRP will be determined like all prices. If there are more buyers than sellers, and the company has a lot of control here, the price will rise. The company needs to distribute it in a rational way, at the same time building a real and scalable use case. I hope they do. You'd agree that there is never the best time for XRP to flourish than the present. Even amidst the low prices, the bearish trend, I urge investors to take heed of these words and take control of their cryptocurrency portfolio by investing in this crypto of the future and enjoy the explosive gains to $20 and above in a few years from now. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. And don't forget you can now support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group via the links in the description. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. We'll see you next time.